Hola everyone, welcome back to Millennial Loteria. And before we continue, I wanted to share with you a little information about the country of Bolivia. Bolivia is actually located in South America. It's right in the middle of the continent. It's one of the few landlocked countries in South America. Its capital is La Paz, and it's covered in the Andes Mountains. So I wanted to share with you a unique aspect of the country by starting off with that 95% or great majority of the country actually identifies as mestizo. So that means that they actually have a background or ancestry that is connected to the indigenous communities of the area. So, like many countries, unfortunately, modern day countries, there has been systemic oppression of the indigenous communities within the borders of these respective countries. No different in Bolivia. So, especially with the women of the Aymara and Quichua people, they were so ostracized to the point that they were not even allowed to be seen in public or even hold down jobs or just be part of society. So obviously the civil rights movement of the indigenous community had its ebbs and flows. It wasn't until 2006 when the first indigenous president of Bolivia was elected. 2006, mind you. So the community had a resurgence of pushing for civil rights, and now Cholitas are now seen and heard in the country. They are part of all aspects of society. They're holding jobs in all different sectors. They're being elected to political positions. So it's a great leap forward. So, and I mentioned Cholitas in particular because if you have not seen like Netflix specials or History Channel programming about Cholitas, they have a unique culture and style of dress as well, with the big full skirts, the long hair in two braids, and then a unique bowler hat. So, and another unique aspect that is often portrayed in a lot of these programs is that these women actually, in their full cultural garb, which is their day to day wear, they wrestle. They full out in a wrestling ring, WWE luchador style. They wrestle, and it's amazing to see, and it looks like it hurts. It's not the fake WWE kind. Well, from what I can see on TV. So, but that's a unique aspect of Bolivia. So, and now the card that I'm going to pick today is El Sushi. El Sushi. Okay, I accidentally picked two cards, so I guess we'll just pick two cards. Oh, El Cactus too. El Cactus. It's not El Cactus, but I'm not going to say the word. But y'all see it. El Sushi and El Cactus. So if you have them on your board, mark them down, okay? And I'll see y'all tomorrow.